Today, we'll build the biggest crush ship.
Watch as a small idea becomes a giant ship. Step by step, from design to launch. Let's get started. First, plan your ship design carefully.
Include size, shape, and structure.
Decide on engine placement for maximum power. Shape your hull for stability and speed.
Scaling up is key for a crush ship.
Gather strong materials, steel, alloys, and reinforcements.
Double-check every measurement.
Run simulations to avoid tipping or sinking. Safety first. Reinforce crucial areas.
Visualize the ship in full scale.
Plan the deck for operational efficiency.
Add compartments for cargo and crew. Engine room must be spacious and safe. Ensure smooth navigation with proper rudder. Confirm every angle before construction.
Finalize the blueprint with experts.
Preview the ship's balance and weight.
Evenly distribute weight to avoid capsizing. Evenly distribute weight to avoid capsizing. Once complete, we move to construction.
Start building the steel frame.
Weld every joint securely. Use cranes for heavy hull panels. Build the deck carefully. Add bulkheads for stability. Construct interior compartments. Install powerful engines.
Connect all essential pipes and wires.
Safety first! Install lifeboats!
Paint the ship to protect from rust. Give your ship an impressive name. Inspect every section for flaws.
Ensure precise alignment of modules.
Test engines thoroughly. Secure welding for long-term durability.
Install navigation and control systems.
Add railings for crew safety. Set up living spaces and control rooms. Construction continues with precision. Prepare for painting and finishing.
Install communication and radar systems.
Check alignment from all angles. Crew inspects completed sections. Install cranes for cargo handling. Ensure every joint is flawless. Test hull strength before water trials.
Prepare engines for the first run.
Add remaining ship modules carefully.
Secure all structural parts.
Install internal lighting and electronics. Apply final paint and protective coating. Prepare safety equipment for the crew.
Ensure navigation system works perfectly. Final checks on the ship's structure.
Inspect all areas before water testing.
Start engines for the first test.
Check steering and maneuverability.
Test Schippel's buoyancy in water. Observe hull resistance against waves. Conduct safety drills with crew. Load cargo and test stability.
Check engine power at maximum output.
Test navigation in open water. Crew confirms all systems are ready. Ship is ready for official launch. Prepare the ship to move to open water. The launch begins. The ship sails for the first time. Celebration as the ship completes first sail. The biggest cruise ship is now fully operational. Observe ship handling in water.
Test engines under various loads. Check navigation system accuracy.
Ensure all safety protocols work.
Test maximum speed and stability. Load cargo and monitor performance. Ensure smooth sailing in open water. Observe resistance against waves.
Ship passes all tests successfully.
Get ready for the official launch.
The launch begins.
First journey into open sea. Crew celebrates successful launch. Enjoy the view of the completed ship. The biggest cruise ship is fully operational. Experience the ship in action as it sails smoothly and powerfully. And here she sails, the biggest cruise ship ever built.
All thanks to our team and careful planning.
From blueprint to reality, step by step.
Like, comment, and share your thoughts below.
Thank you so much. Subscribe now for more new videos.